In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation workflow in Brevo. By the end, you'll be comfortable setting up a simple but effective flow that reacts to your contact's behavior and keeps your messaging consistent. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Automations. This is your command center for building, editing, and monitoring all your workflows. If you're new to this area, don't worry. The layout is designed to guide you from idea to execution smoothly. Next, start a new workflow by selecting the Create an Automation button. This opens the setup window where you'll decide how hands-on you want to be. Brevo offers pre-built templates like a welcome series or an abandoned cart reminder, which are great if you want a proven structure with minimal setup. If you need full control, choose to build a custom workflow from scratch. Custom gives you flexibility to match your exact process, from lead nurturing to post-purchase follow-ups. Give your automation a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance later. For example, new subscriber welcome series. Good naming makes maintenance easier, especially when you have multiple workflows running. Now set the entry point, also called the trigger. This determines how contacts enter the workflow. A common trigger is when someone is added to a specific list, like new newsletter subscribers. You can also trigger when a contact visits a particular page, which requires the Brevo tracker on your site so the visit can be detected. Another powerful option is a custom event, such as when a deal moves to a new stage in your pipeline. Choose the trigger that aligns with the moment you want your automation to begin. With the trigger defined, add actions and conditions to shape the experience. Actions can include sending an email, applying a delay to space out messages, or updating a contact attribute to keep your data accurate. Conditions let you branch the path based on what you know or what someone does. For example, splitting contacts who opened an email from those who didn't, or checking if a contact belongs to a specific list. This is where your automation becomes personal and relevant. As you build, keep clarity in mind. One objective per workflow, concise email content, and sensible timing between steps. Preview your emails, double-check your trigger logic, and use consistent naming for branches so you can track results easily later. That's it, you've set up the foundation for a smart, responsive automation in Brevo.